What is up, YouTube? In today's video, y'all are literally going to get ready with me to go Christmas shopping. I put the tree up. It's a lot missing from the tree. The tree ain't we want, but we working with something. And Bath and Body Works, they have today and tomorrow to where they have $10 wick, 3-wick candles. So we're gonna get some of them. We just finna get ready for the day. Get out of a funk in a way. Get out of a funk in a way, and you know, in order to get through certain stuff, you just gotta have a little bit of retail therapy. So with that being said, y'all finna come with me to have some retail therapy because we ain't feeling it and this ain't it. We not finna sit in it, so we finna go shopping. We finna go spend not a bag but a portion of a bag, okay? I need to find some type of cleanser or moisturizer or something like that for my face, because every single time that I'm putting my normal routine, and it's so crazy because I think it's because when I came back for a week, it fucked me up. Okay, everything is clean now. Now we can get ready. Look, my scarf is already falling off. All right, so let's get ready. Boy?
Girl?
Boy?
Chicken. I ain't worried about you. I ain't been.
Why I still have both AirPods in, mind your business. But okay, so you know, like I literally had to clean up before getting to go because I don't feel like coming back and cleaning up nothing, like at all. I need to get some mousse for my little curly pieces because it's like they making the hairstyle look a little old and it's only been a week. Oiling with shenanigans. I need to restock oil. I oil my hair daily. Take a little bit of oil in my hand. That's a lot. And then put it through to calm it down just a little bit. You know how you feel that oil dripping? ready. Let's go. People are walking out with bags upon bags of candles. I hope they have like at least a couple that I want. Yeah, so we here right now. We just gonna get mom's candle and everything, and then yeah, like I said, hopefully they have a couple that I like, or really hopefully y'all don't miss it. Like, it's $10 for 3 wick candles. It's not the little 1 wick, it's the 3. So hopefully y'all can get it. It's packed up in here. It don't make no sense. But we got candles. We got them. She said, here, take this.
Yeah.
Bag secured. Know what I'm talking about? Okay, candles already got. Now we finna go into the store and get Ryan his stuff. Get them tan ones. What about the gray ones? Thank you. You too. Done for the day. We're gonna place some online orders, but I'll do the online orders like I'll show y'all those. But yeah, I'll show y'all what we get when we get to the house, and then I'll pack it with y'all and stuff. First date, kind of nervous. We done shopping for today, but we need to eat because I'm hungry. Big bad hungry. Thank you. Listen, I'm tired, boss. I need a nap. And now it's time to go back to the house because we done. Okay, so it's later in the day. It's really looked like it's later, but it's really like almost 6 o'clock. But the light show, I've never been to like Christmas lights or anything like that, so I had booked us tickets to go to the light show, and we just about to head up in here. How this go is how this go. Childhood experiences, exciting. He over here knocked out. Party pooper, party pooper, party pooper. Excited. I'm excited. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. Enjoy your evening. Thank you. Where? Oh, the fries. Hi. Can I do the funnel cake fingers?
Funnel fingers?
Yeah, and then 2 hot chocolate.
2?
Yeah.
Marshmallows and cream?
Yeah. Or marshmallow. Do you want whipped cream? Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all.
Those.
My bad.
They ain't paying the damn fees.
No. Okay.
Want hot chocolate?
It's real tasty, real good. I like this. I like this a lot. You like it?
It's Santa's hot chocolate.
Santa's hot chocolate. Now you just gotta make Santa's cookies and we good. But we got Santa's funnel cakes.
Who is eating ice right now? I couldn't. I wanted one. The little ice. What is it? What's it called? A slushy or?
Shaved ice.
Shaved ice, yeah.
Y'all, these are so good. I've been waiting on some funnel cake, something funnel cake related for so long. And Santa heard me. He said I made the nice list this year. What's in here? I'm nosy. It's cool. This tucked up, right?
Oh my god, this sucks so much.
On this? This is what you would want to get on? Hell nah.
Hard cash. You got a nice camera there. Be careful. Don't
Thank
break that thing.
Ow.
Oh, make 1 small fries, 2 medium, 3 large, and watch the ones that has a little bit of water in the bottom. That's the ones you're aiming for. When you put it in there, it lands in a little bit of water. The water's gonna go like this, not allowing it to bounce back out.
Almost had it. Hold on. Ooh, that's some bull.
The last one gonna hit though.
Aw, dang.
Damn. 13.
On my face, but you won't find the number 13 on my face.
Nothing?
No.
Lock.
Oh.
I'll still give you guys a small pie.
Thank you.
Winner! First winner of the day!
Thank you.
Hey, make sure you take lots of photos of that thing, alright? Be very careful. Don't.
I will. I will. Thank you. My baby got me a bear.
Yeah.
What is this? This is
Sloth.
a sloth. My baby got me a sloth. I can't have a fish, but I can have a sloth. Like, you don't understand how not only do I have to pay for your ticket to get in, I'm paying for your food, I'm paying for you to play shit. Kids really don't know how good they got it though. They just be running and laughing, crying when they can't get their way. That's why you gotta listen to my music. That's what you
it's
get.
It's my car. I know
don't
how to clear
care.
it.
I don't care. I don't
can
care.
do it.
I don't care. I don't care. Nigga. You go to the right.
Right.
To the left. I'm just kidding.
Come down and let me in.
Candle haul. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the candles that I got. I'm not gonna show y'all the gifts that I got because moms, you be watching. You be tuned in. So I'm calling you out. But so the cactus blossom. It smells like, it has cactus flower petals, fresh citrus, and vanilla coconut. It smells really good. So if you a dude watching this, get your girl some candles. Like, don't be like that. The other one, champagne toast. If you do not have champagne toast, I don't know what you're doing. Like, champagne toast is that girl. Even though they switched their recipe a couple different times, but it's still good. It's bubbly champagne, bright berries, and juicy tangerines. So and then I had got one for Christmas because it's Christmas time. Let's try a Christmas candle. I just don't like pumpkin spice and all of that type of things for candle smells. I don't mess with that. But I got marshmallow fireside. Somebody had got me this one before and it smelled really good. But you know how like over the years, like Bath and Body Works, they be changing their scents to stuff. So but this one smells real good. Like, and you would think because it's like marshmallow, it will be real marshmallowy. It's not. It has what it got in this one? Hold on, let me find it. Toasted marshmallow, smothered woods, or smoldering woods. Sorry, smothered. What the heck? Fire roasted vanilla and crystallized amber. I don't know, but it smelled good. Okay. The other one that I got was To All Good Night. This one, this smell good. This smell real good. It smells like cleaning. It gives a clean scent type of vibe. So this one is Cool Winter Breeze and Sweet Lavender Dreams. But it has in it a cool winter breeze, sweet lavender dreams, and nestled in a cozy blanket. I don't even... Oh, that's the fragrance notes. It's not what it actually includes. So what I've been reading is the fragrance notes. Like, that's the vibes that it give off. Okay, I could see that. Especially like when you ordering online, I could see... Yeah, I can see that. Okay. This one, we seen one of his people at the store. They said to get this one. So it's called Pink Apple Punch. And it's crisp apple, melon, sugar crystals. Melon and sugar crystals. This one smells really good. It gives like that fruity smell. It smells like a bubble gum, but it's a good bubble gum. So that's that. Okay. And then I had got just this little hand soap thing that we could use because we be using a whole bunch of little different hand soaps and we don't got the foam one, so might as well get this one. But that's the bag. That's the bag. That's the bag. It really was, you know, it was a good buy. It was a good buy for sure. So hopefully y'all didn't miss the candle sale because I didn't. And I wasn't gonna at all. Hear ye, hear ye. Here is to a good start to a good Christmas, to positive vibes in 2025, and to a second year of Christmas with my baby. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.